Hello YouTube family, it's Minnie here. Thank you for joining me today. In this video, I want to walk you guys through this album, this gorgeous album that I learned to make from Michelle from Creative Operations. I actually saw this made by Carly Rose first, and then I hopped over to Michelle right away to see how she makes it. And then I came back to Carly's video to finish it because I wanted to see how she decorated it too. It is such a cute project. It comes together so fast. It just uses two 12 by 12 double-sided paper as a base. And that's what I like about it. Anytime I don't have to use cardstock, I love making projects like those. So let's get started. So this measures, and I will link her tutorial video if you want to make something like this too. So this measures 6 by a little less than 8 inches big. So it's just amazing how like just two 12 by 12 paper can give you such a nice chunky album. So I'm actually going to be making another one too. So let's get started. So I used a Valentine's paper because Valentine's is right around the corner. And so I arranged a ribbon here that goes all the way around to tie up and put the album together. In the back, I put a cut apart to kind of hold it in place, just like I did in the front with this cut apart. With this cut apart, I used my little washi tape to create a border. Sorry, I just realized that my lights weren't on, so hopefully you can see better now. And I hope you can see a little bit of sparkle around the edges on the cut apart there. And then I use the little circle stickers to add on the side of this. And it kind of sticks out a little bit off the edge. And so once we open this, you can see in the back, like it sticks out. And since this is a sticker, I just added a little bit of glitter to kind of make it not sticky in the back. And then something else is I wanted to mention is that I used a cotton thread to kind of put everything together. Like I put a couple holes in the middle, and you know she'll show you her way of doing this was like how you were going to bind books, but I wanted to keep it simple, so I just made 2 holes and put the cotton yarn through and then tied it on in the spine here. So once we open it, and then I also decorated the way she did too, because she does such a beautiful job decorating as well. So inside I have just a plain little area here to either journal or put your pictures. And then I have a bicycle here. And then on this side is a belly band that holds just a couple little cut aparts. And then as you can see, this is kind of layered. The pages are layered. And I used Cartabella paper here, so it's very sturdy. The paper is weighty and it's very sturdy. So the next page, I have a little pocket, and I used my washi tape again to edge the pocket, and I have another cut apart there. And then on this side, I did a little photo mat with a little sticker. And then the next page, I did a little waterfall using the sticker that comes with the collection. And on the back, you can do pictures, add some pictures there. And on this side, I have a little pocket. I used my black washi tape on the edge on this one. And then I have 3 cut aparts there. And then a little bunting on the top. And what the other thing I like about this album is that you can use your like bigger stickers or bigger cut aparts because I like making smaller things, and I don't get to use like bigger things, or I have to get creative on how to use the bigger stickers. And with this project, you can use small, big, like different sized stickers. So that's the other thing I like about this. And then on this page, I just have a little Polaroid type photo mat here. And then on this side, I just have a little paper clip that I put a little bow on, and that's just holding a little cut apart. Again, the paper pad I was working with had like so many cut aparts, like 5 pages of cut aparts. So you'll see a lot of those here. And then this side, I have a little photo mat, and then you flip it over, and then you can put another picture on there, another picture over here. And this is how she did one of her pages, and I really like that idea. So that's what I did here too. And then we have another belly band that's holding a little cut apart. and then a little card. And this can be like, this project can be like your scrap busters too, because there's so many pages and you can use so many papers to, you know, embellish, decorate, and stuff like that. So, and this idea is from her as well, where you use a piece of paper and then you just glue down the middle so that it becomes like a little book. And then this is exactly how she did it too. She had two little hearts kind of angled towards each other, and that creates a nice little embellishment. And then on this side, she has the same thing going on. This is about 2.5 inches, either 2 or 2.5 inches square, that I added over a white mat and added a little sticker. And then this is from her as well, where she adds two mats and then has a sticker in the middle. And then this one's just a big pocket that holds a couple big cut aparts. And then that's the end. So as you can see, there's so much you can do with this album, and it comes together so fast, and embellishing is so much fun too. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you go check out her tutorial and make one for yourself. And I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye for now.